Good morning! Uy, ready na? Ready na? Saan tayo pupunta? Saan tayo pupunta? Ha? Saan daw pupunta? Saan pupunta si Ragnar? Saan pupunta? Good morning! Good morning! Good morning!
Mommy,
Hi! Say hi!
hi! Actually, it's a Tuesday boy!
Good morning! Today is December 28th and we are going to American Hearing Center for Axel's second hearing test.
Can do
Check natin kung ano ang magiging result. Well, hopefully maging okay yung normal ear niya, which is nandito sa kanan.
That's his big ear, and his little ear is on the other side. So him.
Here is the other ear. This the little ear. There, our little Nemo. Oh no. Okay. So, check natin kung anong maging result. Later, maghahanda muna kami. Bye.
So wait.
No. We're going to take video again later.
Okay, so we'll go take a video later.
Oh, go. We are going to American Hearing Center.
Yeah, and my mom's holding baby Axel's my baby good.
Anak, wake up.
Anak, we're going to
Ano, hindi na
He
magising.
doesn't want to wake up, so never
Before
mind
gawin
him.
yung procedure, dapat tulog yung baby or tulog si baby. So, inigising namin si baby ngayon. Kaso ayaw na niyang magising. Baby, Ragnar.
Mary, give me
Wait up, Ragnar.
Ragnar, wake up.
Wake up.
No, call him Axel. Axel, wake up.
Axel.
You know,
Yay! Naabala na talaga siya. Okay, mamaya na lang ulit pag nandun na kami sa center. Let's
wait, we'll be back after we go to the center. I'll make a video so you can see how Axel got quiet. So,
Bye. See you.
Bye-bye.